Hello guys. So in this video we will complete the installation process of Node and React. Before starting this video, I would recommend you to watch the previous video of Python, pycharm and Django installation. The only difference in that video is that you have to download 1 month free trial version of pycharm and all that is same. Let me show you what you have to do. Go to pycharm download, click on the very first link, download the professional version, 1 month free trial version. Now move on to React and Node. First download Node. First search node.js install. Click on the very first link. Download node.js. We are doing for Windows, so download the Windows installer. Windows installer. It is downloaded. Click on it to install it. Now you click on the next. I accept the agreement. Next, 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 and install. It may take some time, so just wait. It will be installed soon. So it is installing. It is just completed. Just wait. Okay, click on finish. Now to check it if it is installed or not, open your CMD command prompt and type node-b to check its version. Now check the npm version, npm-b. It is installed successfully. Okay, so close it. This also. Now open a new folder here and name it according to you. I am giving it installation. Now open your command prompt again. First and move on to that directory. Installation. Now we need to install create React app. We will install it globally. So npm install -g for global install, so that we can access it from anywhere. -g create -react -app. Hit enter. And these things usually take time, so wait, have patience. This may take some time. Now it is installed. With the help of this, we can create our app. So create React app. So the command is create React app space and the app name that we want to create. Hit enter. This also takes some time, so wait. Okay, now the app is created. Now change your directory to the app. So cd demo app, and after that we have to run npm start. This will directly open it in your browser. Maybe it may be Chrome or what is your default browser. So it is open now. That's it for this video. Bye.